So, as some of you know, I have this big lift. This is what is customarily used in the bed of a truck or the back of a van to lift a electric wheelchair or scooter that older people use, like Matt. Um, and it's got this big old hook that hooks onto the scooter to lift it up and put it into the back of the truck or van. And this is rated up to 600 pounds. Well, I this was given to me as a gift from Big Charlie's Model Garage a couple years ago, and I never used it or even tried to work it. It laid out over by my side building for a long time. Anyway, it's rated for being in the weather, so I knew it would be okay out there. But when I brought it in about a week ago and mounted it to this table, it would not work. Well, I've been messing around with it and banging on this little electric motor a little bit. I got it to work. And as you can see, there's Matt from Matt the Scrap Whisperer. He's here helping. He's saying hi to Ed. I see it there, the big bubble balloon thing. Anyway, thank you for the help, Matt. It's been great. However, this hook is not going to work for me. So let me set my camera up and we're going to fix that. So this big chunky hook, it's great if I'm going to be picking up a scooter, which I'm not. So I'm going to unbolt this. We're going to put this piece of scrap chain on the end of this to do some lifting off of this table and onto this table. What do you think, Matt? Think it'll work?
Yeah, Joey, it'll work.
All right, so let's do it. We will take Matt's word for it. Well, get this to where that is bound up. And there goes the hook. Bye 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 baby. Alright, we're gonna put this over here for now. Matt, hold on to this for me, will you? Think you can handle that? Is that too much work for you? Alright, so now we're gonna take this piece of chain. Before I do, I want to cut this little hook thing off. If anybody understands chains and they got that on there, those are a pain in the neck. So I'm going to cut that off and I'll be right back. Alright, we got that off of there. And we are going to out like this. And I think put it about that long. Sorry, Matt, I need this screwdriver. There we go. Now, take our nut that's still attached to these vice grips. Thread it back. Reclamp the vice grip. Flippy flippy. Woo! Well, that got scary. Let's see here. Go like that. That should All right, now that is it. So now I am going to show you how this bad boy works. And how I'm powering this, since it's 12 volt, is this right here. Battery booster. Syntec 630 peak amps jump starter. And it works. But yeah, and I just got it temporarily connected like this. I will set up a more permanent connection and probably use the same battery booster. But let me set you up here so you can see this thing work. All right, so now, make sure this is not all twisty on me. And gotta turn the power on for this. Okay, here we go. And just like that, we have a hook. Now let me show you one other feature about this thing that I like. But first, kill the power to that battery booster, and then I'm going to move the camera again. So this whole section here, move that bungee cord, will rotate around like this. And it will just keep going. And I can give you a good view of that. So now it's all the way over here to where I can pick stuff up off the floor, rotate that bad boy around, set it onto the table. Give you an even better view, maybe. My camera skills are sucking today, but so here's your hook. And this rotates like this. And the nice thing too is you can unbolt it right here, raise it out farther or shorter. But I like it. So thank you, Big Charlie's Model Garage. This is going to come in handy. I like it. Especially when I get the tiller all put together up on this table. I will be able to hook onto it with this and pick it right off this table. Get it on the ground and no help needed. All right, well, thanks for watching. This is my quick tutorial video with Matt, the Scrap Whisperer's help. Thank you again, Matt. You're a great inspiration to YouTube, and we appreciate you. God bless you. All right, guys, see ya.